Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best grill smoker combo. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Here's our list. Weber SmokeFire EX4. The Weber SmokeFire EX4 is a high-end grill smoker combo with Wi-Fi connectivity and a large grilling area. It has a meat probe thermometer for accurate temperature monitoring and a control panel for easy adjustment of cooking settings. The grill uses wood pellets for smoke and flavor, and the hopper can hold enough pellets for extended smoking sessions. The SmokeFire EX4 is designed for grilling and smoking, making it a versatile appliance for outdoor cooking. Traeger Pro 780. The Traeger Pro 780 is a wood-fired grill smoker combo that uses hardwood pellets to create smoke and flavor. It features a Wi-Fi-enabled control system that allows you to adjust temperature and cooking settings from your phone, making it convenient for those who want to monitor their cooking without being physically present. With its large grilling area, digital control panel, and built-in meat thermometer, the Traeger Pro 780 is an ideal choice for serious grillers and smokers who want to achieve great results every time. Camp Chef SmokePro DLX. The Camp Chef SmokePro DLX is a versatile grill smoker combo that features a large grilling area and a hopper that holds enough pellets for extended smoking sessions. It has a digital control panel with a built-in meat thermometer and a slide plate for easy access to the greased pan. With multiple cooking modes and a convenient ash cleaning system, the SmokePro DLX is an ideal choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Pit Boss 1000SC Wood-Fired Pellet Grill. The Pit Boss 1000SC Wood-Fired Pellet Grill is a versatile and high-performing cooking device that combines the benefits of a grill and a smoker. With a large grilling area, a 20-pound hopper for pellets, and a digital control panel with multiple cooking modes and a built-in meat thermometer, it makes it easy to achieve delicious, smoky flavors. Whether you're cooking for a large crowd or just for yourself, the Pit Boss 1000SC is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their grilling and smoking game. Which is the best? Overall, the Weber SmokeFire EX4 is the best grill and smoker combo because of its advanced features, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it the ideal choice for grilling and smoking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.